live at IBC 2017. We're outputting on YouTube, and all the latest news from Amsterdam is available on our website, business.panasonic.eu. We're situated here in our purpose-built studio within the Panasonic booth. If you want to come down and see it this week, you can. We're in Hall 11, stand C45. We'll be delighted to give you a little tour. Among the many projects that we've completed this year, one of the biggest was our collaboration with Berliner Philharmoniker. And I'm joined by Robert Trebus, who's going to talk about Panasonic's part in that. So, Robert, start by telling us, how did the collaboration come about? How did we get involved?
Yeah, thank you for your question. The Berlin Philharmonic Orchestra started very early, already at the days when Herbert von Karajan, to look for the best and latest technology to publish and archive their music. So they were deeply involved in creating the CD, the audio CD. And several years ago, they started to build a content system, the digital concert hall, where they record and publish their concerts. So as the technology is going on, they were looking for next stage of that. And they developed the idea to get a UHD, HDR environment, a new studio for the concert hall, and to publish in the future UHD, HDR content on the digital concert hall. They were looking for a partner. And as there's a lot of new technology and technology that even not exists today will be involved, they were looking for a senior player in the market, so they get in touch with us.
So what products are involved in that collaboration? What will we see as part of that digital concert hall?
Yeah, so the products we use are the UC3000 studio camera, the UB300 box camera for the concert hall itself. We use a HS6000 mixer with a very special unique combination, UTO router for 4K switching and routing, and we use a synergy system for 4K video recording, playback, and editing in that environment.
Sounds like an awful lot. Okay, what's the end result? What are they allowed? What can they do now that they couldn't previously do?
Yeah, so this is a quite difficult project, as I mentioned before, because that's what we do. The UHD, HDR is not really existing today, so there are no standards on the world. The broadcasters are typically rely on the standards. So part of the project were a deep collaboration with our colleagues from the appliance company, from the consumer department, because we designed a workflow and picture quality that should be perfect at home. As we don't have any standards, we had to work very close together with our colleagues for the appliance company to make sure what we create in that studio looks 100% the same at home. And there is IP video streaming involved, there is H.265 video encoding involved, so a lot of new technology that is not tested by today. So we really set there a standard, and from October on, customers will be able to see 4K HDR content into the digital concert hall, and they can find out how the concert hall and the orchestra sound and looks in reality at home.
Sure, sounds really exciting. Yeah. Do you think that kind of collaboration is going to be more prevalent in the future for Panasonic?
Yeah, I think we as Panasonic, we learned quite a lot out of this collaboration, because as a manufacturer, you always have that theoretic business models, that theoretic product developments, and such a close communication and a cooperation. We have a very deep exchange of experience and knowledge, and even our R&D departments were very well pushed with going ahead about what they expected before to go to next level of what is possible for television production. And this is a feedback we get from such kind of customers. This is nothing that comes out of R&D. So we learned a lot, and Berlin Philharmonic Orchestra will get, I think, the maybe first UHD, HDR live installation around the world.
Perfect. Really interesting. Thank you very much, Robert, for joining us on Panasonic Live at IBC. That's it for today, but don't forget to join us tomorrow for more from what's proving to be a very, very busy IBC for Panasonic.